Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the Australian dollar. Previously we already have discussed the setups on other currencies as on the Great British Pound and the Japanese Yen. So on the Great British Pound market stands approximately the same areas we have discussed yesterday, and currently it's forming some kind of the symmetrical triangle pennant pattern. Usually pennant is the continuation pattern, so nothing has been vanished yet. So the scenario that we have discussed yesterday with the possible butterfly or something, that's the sort still valid, and we'll see what will happen today. Here, as you can see, on Great British Pound market has formed this high wave pattern that indicates some kind of indecision. So everything stands the same mostly. On the Japanese Yen as well, market is calling around 112 area, so we just need to wait and see if the market will form any patterns that will let us to take the position. Right now, let's take a look at the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar, as you can see, in recent few weeks, market looks really strong. So this here, within the whole year, we see some really fast acceleration to the upside. And in the recent half of the year, you can see here, this weekly chart, guys, as you can see here is really fast acceleration. As market already has broken through the long-term resistance that was on guard approximately for the whole year, as you can see in the beginning of 2016. This market has been broken it, and it means that in the further perspective, in the medium-term perspective, Australian dollar has very good chance to continue move higher. But right now, as you can see, market stands at weekly overbought right at the fib levels. 79.50 area is the weekly fib resistance. From that top to this bottom is the 3.8 resistance area. So actually, guys, we have the weekly stretch pattern, bearish stretch. That suggests some pullback here. On the daily chart, guys, we have also overbought, as you can see. This market hits overbought as well, but also it has completed this very nice symmetrical ABCD pattern. So this creates the not bad chance for the retracement. At the same time, as market is really strong in recent time, it's better to not focus on some deep bounce. Very probable that 3.8 retracement it's most reasonable target right now. As you can see, this will be previous tops. It's approximately 77.25 area. It's also that will be very close to the daily oversold area. That's why just minor retracement could happen. But at the same time, guys, this is approximately 200 pips. So it's not really small distance for this possible retracement. What else we see? On the 4-hour time frame chart, market has formed reversal candle. So you can see market has opened, taken the top of the previous candle and closed below the lows of the previous candle. So it's totally engulfs the previous session, and it's not just shows the lows that is below the previous lows, but it shows the close below these lows. It's called as a reversal candle. Usually this reversal candle could become the first sign of the possible reversal is coming. But at the same time, as we have really strong action here, it's acceleration candle, we should not take the position blindly. So we need to get some bearish reversal pattern that would let us to take the position. So for that purpose, we need to keep an eye on, for example, on the 30-minute chart for possible bearish reversal patterns here. For here, as you can see, I have drawn possible head and shoulders, but maybe some other pattern will be formed. You could just wait for reversal swing here, and market will drop below these lows and will form. It probably could form the ABC retracement arm that will give you the 3-2-2 sell pattern. Maybe some other pattern will be formed. But overall combination right now that we see on the Australian dollars from the weekly chart right down to the intraday chart looks very attractive in perspective, very promising from the perspective of the possible short-term bearish trade. That's why we just keep an eye on it, and as if we will get some clear bearish reversal pattern here, usually, guys, when market is forming reversal and forming first reversal swing, usually the trade drive sell pattern is very often happens. So this is one of the patterns that you could keep an eye on. And as soon as we will get it, we could try to take the position and use this overall scenario that we have. So that's what we see right now on the Australian dollar. And also, of course, we will continue to keep an eye on other scenarios in the Great British Pound and the Japanese yen. Also, it will be very interesting what will happen today as the European Central Bank meeting. Draghi's statement should come. And investors would like to hear some hints on the possible changing in the policy of the European Central Bank. So we will see what will happen today. As soon as we will get any changes here, we definitely will prepare the update in the coming daily video on Australian dollar and other currencies that we have.